our channel TechLambda. This is the third video of PowerShell. Here we do some practices like how we open. So you press window button and directly type PowerShell. If you want to check his version also, so you check dollar. Yes. So this is 5.1 version and edition desktop command. So these all commands in PowerShell. If you want to check all services, you only run one command, get services. All our services like here, this is status, name and display name also. Here, all our services. Want to clear screen, so you CLS. This is all clear. This is my version, PowerShell version. If you want to go like a new version, so you directly the browser, directly type here latest PowerShell version. This is, so here you check and go to this website, Microsoft website, and visit here. This one is MSI package. You open this and now 7.5 the new version of PowerShell. So if you want press hit this link and download or simply you step by step like next hit it's done. It's very simple. So guys, I open VS Code. First thing what we will do like we create one folder. This is I already create demo folder. So like name you change, but I create like demo. So open here one folder, create desktop and demo. You want to create new file icon and create file. So I create intro dot ps1. This is the extension of PowerShell. So this is the icon of PowerShell. Create one file in VS Code. So if you not see terminal, so you go to the three icon and hit terminal button and go to the new terminal and press it. So here show terminal. So and so see here. This is also like if you want to new terminal, so you open like again terminal. See this is another. This is another. So you want to delete, so easily you delete. So what we will do here? Here we run one command. You want to check also here. Get press run button and run. So you see in terminal all commands are see. This is our all commands. If you want to check services, so you get service run. You check all our services. Here you check status, name and display name. All services have like status, name and service. So if you want to check domain, process, anything, so you simply write process. Run it. So this is our process ID and and CPU, SI name, all are available in only one command. So if you want to clear this, clear terminal, so you simply write one command CLS. So it's clear. So now we check another command. If you want to check time, so you have one command get time, get time only. If you want to simply run this command only, so you run selection. This give error like that the term get time is not recognized as a name of a command-led function, script file or executable program. Check the spelling of the name. So if you want to create another file, so first we clear this. Get item. If I do get item. create one item. So this is all about in PowerShell introduction.
Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.